Here's the update of sorts. Careful not to walk through the poison ivy. This is a tree house we're working on in Massachusetts. Prefab walls. We do a lot of this fun kind of stuff at Tiny House Summer Camp, which is happening September 13th, that weekend in Vermont. Fully hands-on, build stuff with us, camping sites for free. Put in some Suntuf roofing as that light wall up there, which is really going to make a difference in terms of opening up this space. Some salvage windows in there, sashes. I'm going to make a little vent window up there with some more of that Suntuf. And it's just looking kind of fun once we clean up these windows. Another salvage window here we'll trim out. It's coming along. Like I said, Tiny House Summer Camp, relaxshacks.com. Going to happen real soon. Come build with us. Come hang out. Tour tiny houses, live demos, so much more. Really good time, relaxshacks.com.